Suwal, Pangasinan Mayor Liseldo Dong Calugay is denying that he has a relationship with dismissed Bamban Mayor Alice Go, stating that they are just friends. During a Senate panel hearing on Tuesday, September 17, senators questioned Calugay about his alleged ties with Go, as the Suwal mayor is being investigated on his possible involvement in Go's escape from the Philippines. Calugay says he and Go are only friends. Calugay also denies that he has a business partnership with Go or having a shared bank account.
Siguro wag na tayong magpaligoy-ligoy pa. May relasyon ba kayo ni Alice? Gusto mo ba siya? Gusto ka niya?
Ay, wala po. Wala pong ganyan, Your Honor.
Hindi kayo lovers in Pogo?
Ay, hindi po, Your Honor.
So, dinideny mo. May partnership ba kayo? Anything? May bank account kayo together? Meron kayong negosyo together?
Wala po ni isa po, Your Honor.
Ganon? Hindi kayo nag-isip? Hindi kayo nagplano whatsoever?
Wala pong ganun, Your Honor.
Senator Risa Ontiveros presses Calugay to admit whether or not he has business ties with Go, but the Pangasinan mayor continues to deny it. Ontiveros then shows a document bearing the name of 5 businesses that appear to be managed by Go and Calugay. However, Calugay maintains he has no business ties with Go.
Di ba ang karamihan po dito, Mayor, sa pina-flash ko po ngayon, ay pinagsama-sama ang mga pangalan nyo ni Go Huaping o Alice Go? Tingnan nyo po, AC Aqua Farm, B Aqua Farm, Lixel Fish Farm, Dongguo Fish Farm, Guko Aqua Farm.
Wala po kung ganyang negosyo po, Your Honor.